Hi there. In this video, we'll be going through how to create a single booking in Hallmaster in this easy-to-follow step-by-step guide. Let's get started. Now, before you start creating your booking, you first need to make sure you've finished setting up your account, which includes adding your hire charges in the charges matrix, rooms and facilities, your activity types, and your line items. Plus, if possible, any customers. If you'd like to double-check your account is properly set up, we have a separate video on our channel which is a step-by-step guide on setting up your Hallmaster account. As an example, let's start with a single one-off booking for a customer holding a meeting at a local venue. First, you'll need to click on Bookings on the left-hand side. Then, click on Create New Booking. Next, select the rooms or facilities you require. You then need to enter the name of the event. In this example, we'll call it Ollie's Meeting. This event name is what will show in the calendar if it's a public event. Next, if you've set the number of people attending the event as required, enter the number here. A booking can't be complete until a number has been entered here. If you have buffers enabled, these will automatically appear at this point too. You can use buffers to add extra time before or after your event, for things like setting up or clearing away. Next, add the start date, the end date, and the time of the booking. We go into detail about recurring bookings in our video How to Create a Recurring Booking, which you can find on our channel. So for now, we'll ignore this step. Below, you'll see the Customer section. Start typing in a customer's name or email address and select them when they appear as you begin to type. If the customer for this booking hasn't yet been set up in Hallmaster, you can do this here using the Add Customer button. If the customer has more than one activity linked to their account, you can choose which one of them is relevant to this booking with the drop-down menu here. If the customer does not have the activity or rate that needs to be assigned to this event, you'll need to use the Add Additional Activity link to set it up for them. Now you can add any extra items that need to be included in the price. These are called line items. For example, let's include admin fees in our booking. Remember, these line items can be created in the admin section and will automatically be included in the invoice for the customer if using the Hallmaster invoicing module. You can then add a small description of the event in this description box, which will appear in the calendar if the event is set as public. You can also include web links or pictures in this section if you'd like, and is a good way of promoting a public event. Next, you'll come to the Booking Privacy section. The events are shown in the booking calendar according to the privacy settings you've selected. Private events will be shown in the calendar, but with no access to the public view apart from the timings of the event. Public bookings will be displayed in the calendar once confirmed, for public events such as town meetings or classes. Booking and contact details will be visible on this booking along with the description. Please note, as an administrator for your venue, you will see all the booking details regardless. Next, you'll see Special Requirements. These are visible to the person holding the event, but not to the public. This is where you can include notes for people like the event organizer or caretaker. Admin Notes is similar to Special Requirements, but is for use by the administrator only. Again, these are hidden from the customer and from the public. The next section you'll see here is Booking Status. The booking status of any event will be labelled using one of three categories. Requested. This is a booking normally made by the public through the online calendar and is waiting to be confirmed. Once made, the calendar displays this as a provisional booking until it is either confirmed or cancelled. You can leave this as requested if you'd prefer to receive a deposit before confirming the booking. Confirmed. A confirmed booking will show in the calendar as confirmed. The booking details will show depending on the privacy settings you've selected. And finally, cancelled, which means a booking that's been cancelled. This will not show in the calendars and will not be flagged up as clashing with any other bookings, but it will still show up in the administrator's bookings list. At this point, your booking's almost done. Terms and conditions are here. If you've entered a link to your terms and conditions when setting up your account, You or the customer will need to tick this box before proceeding with a booking. In the ad hoc text box, you can add extra information that you'd like to include in the pre-written email that will be sent out automatically. For example, you might want to include a door entry code or a drop-off point for some keys. Next, you have the option to preview the pre-written email before sending it. Otherwise, once you've completed the booking, you can either save the booking or save and send, which sends an email to the customer and a copy to the administrators. The content for this will be loaded from the email template that you will have set up, with the booking details automatically filled in. The calendar will then also be updated. We hope this video has helped you understand just how easy it is to create a booking in Hallmaster. Click on the next video where we'll explain how you can create a recurring booking. Take a look at our Hallmaster YouTube channel and subscribe to see more handy hints and tips about how you can get the most out of your Hallmaster account. Thanks for watching.